Hello everyone, my name is Ayu. I am from Tamrin Brother. I want to tell you about our newest car. Unleash your drive with the Daihatsu Sigra, the ultimate urban explorer designed to conquer city streets and beyond. The Sigra boasts a sleek and compact exterior that belies its spacious interior. Equipped with advanced safety features and efficient performance, it's more than just a car, it's your passport to adventure. Daihatsu Sigra also has fuel-efficient performance for economical driving, stylish exterior design that stands out on the road. Experience the adventure with the Daihatsu Sigra. Test drive yours today.